ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. There is no requirement of shaving beards for fit testing, primarily because it does not guarantee that if you didn't have beard, it would fit. Many people, from the nursing to medical departments, have failed fit tests because of their receding chin or for whatever structure variation they have. And as such, they were then deployed on to do something else. Not everyone is needed on the front line to deal with certain stuff. And plus, there is availability of hoods. You can have helmets and hoods, and that way, if you can't be deployed somewhere else, then you can just use it. There's no reason for one to shave their beard, and it was never needed. While I was covering COVID ward for a whole 4 months as a frontline consultant respiratory physician, and none in our hospital needed it, except for those who wanted to get away with their beard, one or two people, and they found this a good excuse. And ever since COVID is not there anymore for the last 6 weeks or so, they've maintained their not having beard. So that on its own give a very good suggestion as to what they would want. So yeah, so there's no point one should even try and think about that. Secondly, as you said, can they ask you or can they force you to shave your beard? Definitely not. Not at all. Legally, they cannot. Whenever someone asks you to do so, you said, okay, I would do that, provided you ask me in writing. Send them an email when they say something like that to you and ask for this, and copy it to everyone in the hospital, including your BMA members, representatives, your line manager, your supervisor, your medical director, so everyone. And the minute you ask them to respond to the email, they would never do so, and they would just step back. So it's very clear that they cannot force you. This is completely, baseless that people try and shave their beards for any reason at the moment. Obviously, if this happens to someone, they should seek individual advice, and inshallah ta'ala, we will be able to help them out. We have already done a petition on that, and it's very clear. So my hospital, I do weekly bronchoscopies, and I've got a hood to use for bronchoscopies. So don't worry, they would always help you. If you have any trouble, let me know, inshallah ta'ala, in private.